Violence against women in cities, specifically in public spaces, has become an increasingly worrying public issue. Sexual harassment and other forms of violence against women and girls in public places are present in every country, in rural areas as well as cities, and even in online spaces. According to 19 Me Too study, worldwide, nearly 2 women out of 3 have been subjected to street harassment. Assuming this rate also holds for Costa Rica, approximately 1 million women have been victims of this abuse. However, only in 2020, this country declares sexual harassment as a crime. Making cities and public spaces safe for all women and girls is then a matter of citizen security and a duty for all of us. To accomplish this task, we firstly need to define an objective and data-driven safety index to be used as a baseline for measuring the impact of the environmental and cultural solution to be adopted. Most of the available metrics are based on socioeconomic factors such as uneven sex ratio, educational level, women employment rate, or political representation, which constitute the root of the problem. Changing socioeconomic factors require radical and longer-term intervention. That is why Bayesciamella proposed a simple solution to mitigate the frequency of the phenomenon by modifying urban design for a more inclusive and safe city. Looking at our time series trend, we observed a drastic decrease in reported crimes since October 2020, probably due to COVID-19 pandemic restriction measures. For these reasons, we prefer to use more reliable data, simply defining a risk index as the rate of total crime per 10,000 inhabitants at district level for the whole Costa Rica. In practice, we investigated the correlation between criminality and external factors, supported by several literature results: street lighting, urban network properties, danger perception from police reviews, or number of amenities. Then, we implemented a linear regressor and a random forest model, jointly exploiting the better interpretability of the former and the better performances of the latter. In this way, we have defined a data-driven women's safety index, which requires little effort to be estimated. At the same time, the model's interpretation gives relevant insights on the marginal effects of each considered variable. Our regression models confirm the association between criminality and population factors already proved by other works. A relevant finding is the positive association of crime rate with the perception of danger extracted from reviews. In addition, features important plots also evidence that district urban network and district ways lighted percentage also impact on safety. Given the scarcity of high-resolution urban data, the Bayesciamella team decided to implement an innovative tool, different from security-integrated navigators already existing for many countries. Our product, in the form of What If dashboard, is not addressed directly to women, but to policymakers. They can test and quantify the effects of different urban planning solutions on women's safety at district level. In fact, our main intent is to provide database impact of many socio-demographic and urban features on women's security, possibly raising awareness on how they are important in reducing risks. This approach, eventually integrated with a visualization tool, can drive actions resulting in improved security and support cost-effectiveness analysis in urban planning to understand district-specific, more suitable solutions.